Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna eat this.
Well, she made it, so.
Oh, come on. You can eat more than that, Polly. You have to eat that whole spoon. You should take another one.
It's too sweet. Let me do it. Go get me one of those crackers.
I'm eating soup.
Cracker, cream cheese, stuff on. It actually tastes good.
You can tell that Charles been cooking for you.
Try it.